Hey guys, it's me, Nari.
And I'm Judy.
And this is my little sister, Judy. And today, we're going to talk about
why do we snore? How to stop snoring.
Okay, so this is the topic from the Peekaboo channel and from the Binoc show. So let's answer that again. Why do we snore and how to stop snoring? Let me ask a question to you guys and also ask it to Juby. Have you ever heard of someone snoring?
Yes. Did you ever hear anyone snoring?
Okay, answer that. So if yes, it means you would feel hard while sleeping and you would feel some noisy sounds, so you would want them to stop snoring. That is called snoring. Okay, so let's see. The question is, why does it happen in the first place? So right now, let's look at the question. Let's zoom in. Okay, so let's see. People usually snore loudly and it feels like the entire house seems to shake. Well, that might be an exaggeration because it's happened. This has been a problem for many years, like in ancient times, since ancient times. Like people have been snoring and it makes a very, very bizarre methods to combat it. People has to do a lot of things, like from wearing leather masks and to smelling onions and to stuffing canyon balls inside their clothing. But that seems I didn't even stop. And what did people do?
Like, they're trying to make them, they're uncomfortable when they're snoring.
So they have to put on
leather masks. And some of them didn't work, so they have to put headphones.
Yeah, but it still makes a loud noise. So it's so hard to sleep while someone is making a loud noise, right?
Yeah.
So what makes the snoring sounds in the first place? Okay, so you see, while you breathe, this is an example of Juby breathing. So we have right here, when she breathes, the air comes into her nose and then it comes down here, right here, and it comes down to her lungs. And her lungs, which is where she keeps the air, oxygen. Okay, stay here. And so the air just go around in her lungs. And as you see, we have soft tissues here. These are called soft tissues. Inside we have soft tissues, like muscles. So we have here. And when we breathe, things get moved down. But when we are asleep, we don't really talk much, and which means our tissues would go smaller, and it could make it smaller. And when it's smaller, what happens? When you're breathing, it's a bit hard while breathing, and it means it makes your tissues, your neck makes some sound. Okay. And that is very loud. When it's smaller, it makes a louder sound. When it's bigger, it doesn't make sound very much, and it makes a soft sound. So when it's smaller, big sound. Not smaller, not like soft sound, like big. Okay. So let's see. How can we get rid of this? So first of all, we have to get all of those snot Do you know what knots are?
Like the things in our nose. Out. We need to get them out.
First, before you sleep. Also, second of all, you have to sleep in the same time every
Day.
So, every day, for example, Juby sleeps at 8 o'clock or 8:30. Then every day she has to sleep at 8 o'clock. But before she sleeps, she has to get all of the snot out of her nose. Then she has to sleep in the right position. Her pillow has to be here. Okay? It cannot be here. Pillow here. Not here. Okay? So it doesn't make a louder noise. So that's it for today. Please like
And subscribe
to our channel, Nari English and
Juby English.
And okay, that's the end of our lesson today about why do we snore and
Make loud noise every day. Every night. Why do we snore?
why do we snore? That's the end of the lesson today, and we discovered why do we snore and how to stop snoring. Juby is a little bit confused, okay?
Sorry.
Okay, that's okay. And he's still my sister. And today, this is the end of the lessons, and please, goodbye and
Subscribe.